Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how we can make these types of logo. For making this type of logo, you will have to go to the Play Store and type PIXELLAB Pixel Lab, and you have to install that app. I have already installed. Now open this app. After opening that, this format is open. Now drag down that new text. After that, click on this option and choose the color. Click on a color option and choose the background color according to your need. I will choose green background. After choosing the background, just click on a middle button and you can see the shape option. Click on a shape option. After clicking on a shape option, move down and decrease the opacity to 0%. As you can see that the opacity is 0%. Now make the stroke width as your need. I will make that. This can be made as your need. After that, again click on a shape and now minimize the size of the shape and place in a right place. And after placing in the right place, choose the color. I will choose the black color, as you can see that. After finishing these steps, click on a option that is written as A and click on a text option. After clicking on a text option, click on a edit button. After clicking on the edit button, you can simply write the name you want to write. I will write our channel name, and after clicking OK, just drag it there. And after that, here is a size option. Click on a size option and choose the size. After that, you can color your text. After that, finishing your color of the text, click on a text option and now on edit option and choose the title. I will write TM and click on that, and I will change the size of my text and drag it in a big box. And after that, you can also change the font of your text from their option, like that. You can also change the font of your text, and now you can change the color of your text, like that. As you can see that our logo is ready. Now click on a save button, as the drive button. Click here and save as image and save to gallery. Now your logo is saved. By this way you can make a logo. Like and share this video and also subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you for watching your video. Thank you.